Every durable composite roof tile begins with an agricultural waste material. The tough outer husk is separated before the valuable fibers are recovered. Millions of husks can be gathered into a steady industrial raw material stream. Once collected, the husks are moved directly into the factory supply chain. From scattered plantations, the raw husks begin their journey toward large-scale processing. A continuous supply is essential when millions of husks are destined for manufacturing. At the factory, this agricultural residue becomes the starting material for engineered roofing products.
The first factory stage is controlled receiving, where every incoming load is prepared for processing.
Inside the receiving bay, the raw husks enter the controlled material handling system. Now the husks are ready for their first industrial cleaning and sorting stage. The first separation removes unwanted material before the fibers enter deeper processing. A rotating cleaning drum removes the remaining loose contamination from the husk stream. Controlled airflow separates fine, lightweight contaminants without damaging the useful husk material. Human inspection adds another layer of protection before mechanical processing begins. The cleaned material is screened again to protect the downstream processing equipment. Controlled size reduction prepares the tough husk for efficient fiber separation. The next stage opens the husk structure and releases its useful natural fibers. Useful fibers are separated from the softer pith to create a more consistent reinforcement material. Consistent material flow is essential for producing roof tiles with predictable properties. With the raw material cleaned and conditioned, the core transformation can now begin. Conditioned fibers now enter the core preparation stage, where consistency becomes critical. Mechanical refining creates a more uniform fiber structure for composite manufacturing. Fiber length is controlled to maintain the reinforcement balance required for durable roofing material. Blending distributes the natural reinforcement into a consistent production stream. A carefully controlled binder system will lock the natural fibers into a strong composite structure. Precise metering keeps the binder-to-fiber ratio within the required production range. Inside the mixer, natural fibers and binder become one engineered composite material. Homogenization ensures the composite mixture remains consistent across the entire production batch. The loose composite is now formed into a controlled, continuous mat. Pre-compression creates a stable composite sheet ready for precise roof tile forming. The continuous composite sheet now enters the precision forming stage. Heat and pressure transform the loose composite into a dense structural roofing profile. The characteristic roof profile is formed directly inside the heated tooling. After forming, the hot composite is carefully transferred without disturbing its engineered shape. Controlled cooling stabilizes the material before it is cut into individual roofing sections. Automated measurement and cutting create consistent roofing panel dimensions. Precision trimming removes excess material and gives every panel a consistent finished edge. Controlled finishing creates a uniform surface
while retaining the composite's natural fiber character. Automated inspection verifies that each formed panel matches the required production dimensions.
Only correctly formed panels continue toward final finishing and quality control.
Before finishing, every panel receives a final surface preparation. Controlled extraction keeps the finishing environment clean and protects the consistency of the surface treatment.
A controlled protective coating helps improve the panel's resistance to weather and surface wear. The exposed edges receive the same controlled finishing treatment as the main surface. Controlled curing allows the protective finish to stabilize before final inspection.
After curing, the finished panels are cooled before precision finishing operations. Precision drilling prepares each panel for secure installation on a finished roof structure. Every finished profile is checked again before it can leave the production floor. A final controlled treatment gives the roofing panels their finished industrial appearance. Now the finished panels leave production and enter the laboratory-controlled quality stage. Before packaging, every production batch must pass a series of controlled quality checks.
Dimensional testing confirms that the finished panels remain within the required production tolerances.
Weight and density measurements help verify consistent material composition across the production batch. Mechanical testing measures how the composite responds to controlled structural loads. Impact testing checks the durability of the composite against sudden mechanical stress. Water absorption testing helps evaluate how the composite behaves under prolonged moisture exposure. The samples are compared before and after conditioning to detect unwanted changes.
Visual inspection confirms that the final surface meets the factory's appearance and finish requirements. Only after passing inspection and testing is the finished batch released for packaging.
Once approved, the finished roofing panels enter the final packaging line.
Protective separators keep the finished surfaces secure during handling and transport. Automated wrapping secures each bundle for safe factory handling and shipment. Every bundle receives traceable identification before entering finished goods storage.
Finished bundles are stabilized on pallets for efficient storage and distribution. Inside the finished goods warehouse, production batches wait in organized dispatch lanes.
When orders are released, the correct production batches are selected and prepared for shipment. The finished roof tiles are loaded carefully for their journey from factory to customer. From discarded coconut husks to durable roofing, every stage turns agricultural waste into a useful engineered product.